We're at the Schonsee main floor renovation, top to bottom, amazing space. I can't wait to show you guys. This is located on the north side of Edmonton. Looks fantastic. Let's check it out. So you always hear that the kitchen is the heart of the home, and in this renovation, this is definitely the heart of the home. And one of the main features of this renovation, so what we did was we took all these old cabinets out that were existing, and they were the old 1990, 2000 cabinets, really similar builder layout, where the cabinets didn't go to the ceiling, and there was really just not enough storage. Another thing with the existing kitchen that really didn't function and didn't work is that raised eating bar. So you see that in a lot of builder style homes, where they have that eating bar, and all it does is it collects all your junk, all your mail, your newspapers, and no one really uses it. So what we did with this kitchen is we removed everything and we added this huge massive island. So we got this huge rectangular island here with the sink in the island, and you have room for 3, but actually you have room for a lot more. So if you think about it, if you had your friends and family over, you could have a couple people on this side, you get 3 people sitting, and you can have 2 people on the other side as well. So there's a lot more space to entertain, there's a lot more space to enjoy, and there's also a lot more space to put all your food and your fixings and do your cooking and stuff. So raised seating bar are a thing of the past, and we don't have very many people asking for that. So yeah, this was definitely a good option here for this renovation. Another portion of this reno, what we did was we extended the cabinets. So originally cabinets stopped right about here, and with the renovation we decided to add more cabinets. With more cabinets you have more storage and there's more possibilities, and you know what, you can never have too much storage in a kitchen. But everything looks great. So our client got all brand new appliances. We have a touch faucet here. And a touch faucet is one of those things that if you like to cook a lot and maybe you're cooking with meat or chicken or anything like that, it's really great because you just tap the back of your hand, turns the faucet on, and another tap turns the faucet off. So what else do we got? We got a white oak railing, removed the original railing, and we did a full, nice, beautiful white oak railing, and stain matched and just looking fantastic with the black spindles. And everything really ties in with this renovation. You have the blacks and you got the woods and the whites and everything. And I guess my favorite part of this renovation is really just how different it is, the diversity in the colors, and really it feels like there's a lot of nature that was brought to this space. And more specifically, this herringbone hardwood. So we get down here, I absolutely love this herringbone hardwood. It is a statement. When you walk in this house and you see this, you can't help but to look down, your jaw drops, and you're just amazed by this hardwood. Now, this hardwood is not cheap, people. This is extremely expensive. In this small vicinity of hardwood, this cost about the same as what you would have in a 1,000 square foot house with regular hardwood. So if you're looking to do something like this, keep in mind that the material is expensive, the install is expensive, and it is a very high-end product. But if you do have a space like this that you want to make a statement, there's going to be no statement better than herringbone hardwood. So over here we have an amazing fireplace, and in my opinion this is the way the builder should have done it to begin with. Cabinets on the side. So you had these niches built in on the side, but there was nothing there before, right? So what we did was we added cabinets on both sides, fully tiled, and added the mantle, and then the TV. So we got the TV up there instead of the TV being kind of on the side. And the way we were able to do that is we have a niche that we built in the back, but with that niche we actually had a lot of fireproofing that we had to put in there. So we have some heat shielding and a whole bunch of other things to go back there in order to make that work. And so now we have the TV up top, and it looks nice and flush, and this fireplace is just unbelievable. I love the tile, it looks so good. And then yeah, as we rip on through here, we have new casing, new baseboards. The casing and baseboard used are a lot more custom than your typical just flat casing. And if you look at the casing itself in the base, the thickness and the profile It's about triple the amount of material as like a basic flat, like 4-inch baseboard that's 1/2 inch thick. But it is very high quality, super durable, beautiful, beautiful product. And again, kitchen's amazing. We added a whole whack of pot lights throughout. So there's tons of electrical that went on. And with every single one of those pot lights up in the ceiling space, in the attic space, we have poly hats. So a lot of contractors, what they do when they're renovating is they just cut the hole, they put the pot light, and they're done. In this case, we do have vapor barrier poly hats. And the reason why that's important is you don't want to have all the hot air rising into the attic space, creating moisture, condensation, and mold, right? So you got to do the things that nobody knows about, and you got to do things the right way when you're a high quality contractor. So in these bedrooms, again, no stone left unturned with this renovation. We have this amazing, amazing carpet. This is a very, very high-end carpet. I'm not usually excited about carpet, but I'm very excited about this carpet. It's got so much detail and character to it, and it also feels amazing on the feet. It feels like your feet are getting like a massage as you walk through. So again, a very high-end carpet. And again, the cost of this carpet in this vicinity is probably more than a regular house, maybe the 2nd floor, because it is a very, very high-end, high-quality carpet. But with that, you get longevity, you get that unbelievable feel on the feet, and just all those other creature comforts. So again, another bedroom here. And just at the entryway, we have all new tile. So I love this tile. It's so unique and so different. It's got so much character, but it also ties in the floor and all the other colors throughout the house. And a cool thing we did, which was no small task, our tile setter was able to match the pattern exactly to the exact spot with this RE event. So that's not easy to do. It's not easy to make happen. But we do have the best of the best. And that is the Schonsee main floor renovation. Looks fantastic. Our client is very, very happy with the results. Very, very happy with the team. So if you're looking for a main floor renovation, a basement, bathroom, kitchen, definitely reach out to Priority Builders. We'd love to turn your house from regular into pure awesome. So don't forget to like and subscribe, leave a comment, and this renovation gets the thumbs up.